Let's take one example. So I'll write one expression and you have to calculate and find the answer. So this is one expression. You can pause the video and calculate it. Okay, so let's run this program and then see how many of you are able to solve this small expression. Let's run it, and this is the answer. So this is operator precedence. In schools, we have learned that how these operators work. Right? There is a formula, so I'll show you. So if you remember, we have discussed about in a school we have learned about these things: bracket, of, division, BOD mass, right? Multiplication, addition, and so this is in a particular order. So whenever we do this kind of calculation, we always open the bracket, parentheses, then exponents, then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This is in a particular order. So same rules the Python use here, or any other language use. So here it is a raised power, you can see here 2, so 20 power 2, then we have to divide. So here we will divide by a, then plus, no, not plus, actually it is multiply, it will multiply. So then addition and subtraction. Now here we can use brackets to make it more clear, like this. Maybe I don't want to multiply a b into a, I want to do this operation first. Whatever will be the output, using that we will multiply. So we can use parentheses here. You can see the output is changed. So the point is we have to follow the same rule, BOD mass, first bracket, parentheses, then we can use this if there is any x raised power y exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So that rule we have to follow in this calculation.